Hi guys! So today I'm here to talk to you about this revolutionary program which is called His Secret Obsession, and I'm going to decide if it's really worth your money, but I can already tell you I think it is. So what will you see in this review? I will introduce you the only program that could help me conquer the man of my dreams. This is the only program that really taught me how to understand men's life, how to understand how they think, how they date, act, and so much more. I'm 100% sure this will work for you as well as it worked for me. But before we keep going, I want to invite you to subscribe to our channel. Click the link below to learn more about the program. Also give me your thumbs up, and if you stay with me until the end of this video, I will show you the free bonuses and that you get when you buy it. So now, do you know how men's instincts works? Do you know how to use the signals? Do you know how to send the right messages? If you don't, then this program is really for you. But first, I'm going to talk a little bit about myself. My name is Olivia and I'm very shy, so you won't be seeing my face in here. But my dating life has always been hard, and nowadays with all the technology and stuff, it's even harder. Nothing I did ever worked for me, so that was when I decided it was the time to take some action. That was when my friend recommended me this program because it worked for her, and now she's happily married, so it could work for me as well. And it did. That's why I'm here today. With this program, your dating life will never be the same. So this is an online program created just for women ready to take action and control of their love life. It will show you how to remove the biggest problems that men have with commitment, monogamy, and relationships, leading you to learn how you can completely change your relationships. Then it will teach you also how you can take all you've learned and turn it into your own superpower. So I think this was the greatest part of all. This program is broken down into 2 phases. So it will teach you about bridging the gap between men and women and how to use it to land the relationship you want. So you have to be very careful because this is only sold in some website pages, but I personally recommend the official website only, and you can get a full refund if you don't like it. Now, as I promised you, the free bonuses. So after you buying the program, you will get Why Men Shut Women Out, the 3 A's of Effortless Attraction, and you're also going to get the Uncover His Deepest Desires with Easy Relationships Detective Methods. So I thought this was also really great for me and really helped me as well. So this is it. Thank you for watching. You can buy this program right now. You just have to click the link below in the description to get it. Thank you and bye bye.